Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So something in my face. So today we are going to be testing out this new palette from Wet n Wild. So this is called the Wet n Wild Ice Cream Bee palette, and when I saw it I was just like, oh, this looks good. Like this color here, can you see it's got like different, like it's got like a swirl of blue in it, and look how so we're going to be putting this to the test. We're going to be swatching it, so I hope you guys enjoy. So this palette has got 16 shades in it, and the names are actually on the back of the palette, which really helps as well. So the first shade we have is Malt With You, then we've got You Got Soft Served, then we've got Waffly Q, It's Sherbet Day, Anything Is Popsicle, Milkshake It, Lemon Sorbet, Pistachio and Love, Brain Freeze, Any Given Sunday, What's the Scoop, Mint to Be, Raising the Roof, Love You S'more, The Fudging Best, and Black Terrific. So very cute names. So let's go ahead and swatch these shades. So this is the first time I've ever tried out Wet n Wild's formula. Never tried them before, so I'm really excited to try. So I'm gonna swatch the shimmers first. Wow. Oh, they actually looked really sheer, like in the palette. They just look like they're gonna be quite pastel-y, but then when you swatch them, oh my, these are beautiful. So you guys, oh, look at that green. Oh my god, that green is stunning. Some of these have got like flickers of like different colors in them, which is just gorgeous. Okay, so I think I've managed to get all of them pretty much swatched. So here they are, look at them. So the first one that stands out to me is this, obviously this gorgeous pink. This color here is that one with that sort of speck of blue in it. This has actually got like tinges of like gold in the green. These look really foiled, they look really pretty. I am super duper excited to try these out. So that's what we're going to do. So oh, I almost forgot, let me just swatch some of the mattes as well. So we have this matte. So we've got a few mattes, which is really helpful at the end of the day, because you know you need a matte to be able to sort of start your look. So here are the mattes again. Oh, sorry. Here are the mattes again. So nice, look amazing. Very excited to try this palette out. So the first color I'm going to go in with is this color here, which is called Waffly Cute. No it's not, it's called You Got Soft Served. So that's the color that I'm going to go right in with, and I'm just going to start by working that right in the crease. So obviously there's not really much colour difference because my skin tone is pretty much this colour, so you can't really see much yet, but I love how soft they are and just blendable. So I like that so far. Okay, so we're going to deepen it up a little bit and go in with this colour here, which is called Waffly Cute, this one here, which I keep wanting to go into because it's just such a cute name. So I'm going to apply that in the crease. Wow, really like these, really nice. Look how sort of smooth and blendable that is, it's lovely. The only thing filming in summer is I can't have the fan on because it's too loud and it's hot in it. Okay, so let's do something cute. So I've kind of just got like a grey top on today, so I feel like I want to do something green for a change. I know, different, but I'm excited for it. So I'm going to go in with this colour here, which is called Any Given Sunday, this little brown number here. And I'm going to pop that on the outer corner just a tad bit. This brush is probably not the best, but it's the only one that's washed. So popping that on the outer corner and then just sort of blending in a bit. Oh, I love this. It's so soft and blendable. I just love their formula straight away. A little bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. Okay, so let's go in with the shimmers, because you know that's what I'm really here for. I love my shimmers. So I'm going to go in, I kind of really want to go in with this really bright green here, because it just looks gorgeous. I mean, look how shimmery. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this beautiful green, and I'm going to apply it in the middle. Okay. Okay, this palette is stunning. Are you joking me? So I'm kind of putting it in the middle because I want to put the green underneath here, because this one's got a bit of like gold reflex. I don't even know if it's like gold or blue. It's gold, I think. And we're going to put that on the outer part. Okay, so that colour is a lot less pigmented than the bright green, but it's still really, really cute. I can see it a tiny bit. And then I'm going to go in with this colour here because I really just want to use it. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner. Wow. Oh my god. I love this palette. It's so cute. So this is what we've got so far. So I'm just going to go over and blend that out of the way because I've got a little bit of some. So I feel like I'm going to have to pick up that dark greeny colour and just sort of stamp it on a bit because I just couldn't get my finger in that angle. So, and then I'm going to go over with that beautiful green colour here. The only thing I would say about this palette is I wish I had a mirror, but that's about it. It's gorgeous. Love it. Okay, so let's go in and just finish off the whole look. Finishing the look off. So I'm going to finish this look off, guys, and then I'll be back to do my final thoughts. This palette, I love it. Absolutely love it. I love the mattes. They're so smooth. They're so blendable. They look amazing on the eyes. They're not too pigmented. They're nicely to build up. The shimmers are just incredible. This green is just so nice. I love it. I cannot wait to dip into this purple, this yellow, all of them. They just look absolutely gorgeous. But this one is the one I've got on and it's just gorgeous with this colour as well. And then I used this colour here in the inner corner. So you guys, I'm really impressed with this palette. I'll link it down below for you. It was not expensive at all. Wet n Wild's formula is one of my favourites now. I feel like I need to try that other palettes. So let me know if you want to see that. Please subscribe if you are new. It would mean so much to me. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok and God knows where else. Instagram and TikTok will do, and my blog if you want. I'll link everything down below, and I'll see you guys in another video.